fix Facebook dating match not messaging back. So let me tell you guys, if a match is not messaging you back on Facebook dating, it usually means they are simply not interested or have not checked the app. However, if you suspect a technical glitch such as messages not sending or disappearing matches, you can troubleshoot the app by restarting it. The next what you can do is check for updates. Just go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store and make sure that your Facebook app is updated to the latest version. Now the next thing what you can do is on your iOS device, just go to your device's settings, then go to General. Now tap on iPhone Storage. Now find Facebook from the list, then tap on it, then tap Upload App. Now to confirm, tap Upload App one more time, which clears the temporary data. Once you do that, you will see the Reinstall App button right here. Simply tap on it or go to your Apple App Store, find the Facebook app and then reinstall it from there. The next what you can do is log out and log back in. Just refresh your active session by signing out of your Facebook account and then signing back in. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.